The Pipe Heat Loss Calculator, Insulated Bare, calculates heat loss from insulated pipes and the resulting surface temperature. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your unit system from the drop-down. You can choose Imperial with BTU per hour, degrees Fahrenheit, and inches, or metric with watts, degrees Celsius, and millimeters. For this demonstration, we're using Imperial. Enter the pipe outside diameter in inches. We'll use 4.5. Next, input the insulation thickness. That's 2.0 inches. Enter the pipe temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. We'll use 200. Then the ambient temperature, 70 degrees. Finally, input the insulation thermal conductivity K value. We'll use 0.025. Click Calculate Heat Loss. The results show heat loss per foot is 2.68 BTU per hour per foot. This tells you how much energy you're losing through each linear foot of pipe. The surface temperature is 59.5 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the temperature on the outside of the insulation, which is important for personnel safety and condensation concerns. These values help engineers properly size insulation systems and evaluate energy efficiency. Find the link in the description below.